Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how I build a single product view page using PHP and MySQL. This page displays product information, seller information, reviews and ratings, related products, enrollment status, watch list and cart options. First we look the output. Right now I am inside VS Code and this file is called protectview.php. This page loads a single product using the product ID from the URL, then displays everything related to the product. Let's start from the top of the code. First we start the PHP session. Sessions allows us to store user login information across pages. For example, user ID, account type, login status. We check if a session already exists. If not, we start the session using session start. This ensures the user data remains valuable when navigating between pages. Next, we include the database connection file. This file contains our database class and connection logic. So whenever we need to run queries like fetching products, loading reviews, checking orders, we can easily use the database class functions. Next, we check if the user authentication is valid. This file verifies if the user has a remember me token. So even if the session expires, the user can still stay logged in. This improves the user experience because users do not need to log in repeatedly. Here we retrieve information about the current user. We store three important values: logged in, whether the user is logged in, user role, buyer or seller, user ID, the unique user ID. We use the null coalescing operator double question mark to provide default values if the session does not exist. Next we get the product ID from the URL. For example, product view.php question mark ID equal 5. We convert it into an integer using int_val to prevent security issues. Then we validate the ID. If the ID is invalid, we redirect the user back to the product search page. This prevents users from loading the page incorrectly. Now we run the main database query. This query retrieves product information, category name, seller information. We use left join to combine data from multiple tables. Tables use product, category, user. This allows us to display everything about the product in one query. After running the query, we check if the product exists. If the product cannot be found, the user is redirected back to the search page. This prevents errors and ensures the page always load valid products. Next, we calculate product ratings. Two important statistics: average rating, total number of reviews. These are calculated using SQL functions. AVG, average rating, count, total reviews. This information will later be displayed on the page. Here we calculate the number of students enrolled in the course. We count unique users from the order table. Distinct ensures that each student is counted only once. Now we load the latest reviews for the product. This query joins feedback table user table. This allows us to display reviewer name, rating, review message. We also limit the results to 8 reviews so the page loads faster. Next we calculate seller statistics. We display total courses created by seller, total students, average rating across all courses. This information appears in the instructor card on the right side of the page. We also load related products from the same seller. This improves engagement by showing other courses created by the instructor. We limit the results to 3 products. Here we check if the current user has already purchased the course. If the user already bought it, the page shows click symbol already enrolled instead of showing the enroll button. Next we check if the product is already in the user's watchlist shopping cart. This allows us to update the button text dynamically. Now the rest of the file contains the HTML layout using Tailwind CSS. The page includes hero section, product description, reviews, related skills, sidebar with price and enroll button, instructor information. This layout creates a modern course page similar to Udemy. Finally, we use small JavaScript function to display star ratings. It dynamically creates 5 stars based on the rating value. This improves the visual presentation of reviews. And that's how we build a complete product view page using PHP, MySQL and Tailwind CSS. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.